Look, when it comes to AI, you basically have two choices. You can either adopt it and become super efficient and save so much time from doing things manually, or you can get left behind by those who are adopting AI. And I'm guessing you're here because you don't want to get left behind. But here's the reality. There are just so many AI tools out there that people are promoting or they swear by. It's hard to know which ones are actually legit and which ones are just total trash. But at the end of the day, an AI tool should just do one or both of the following. It should help you make more money or help you save more time. It should make your workflow seamless, not add extra complexity to what you're already doing. So in this video, I'll give you all of the AI tools in order to help you make more money and save a bunch of time in the process. So let's start with the crazy stuff. I'm talking about cloning yourself. Kind of. You can create personalized sales outreach videos without actually having to record a video. Kind of like what I'm doing here with all these lights and mics and cameras and stuff. These AI tools are HeyGen and SendSpark. With HeyGen, you can produce studio quality videos with AI generated avatars and voices. You can either select an avatar on their platform, or you can actually clone yourself and your own voice to use in sales outreach videos. You can simply type in your script and it will create a video of you speaking. Then you can use SendSpark to send your message. So SendSpark is a video messaging platform that uses AI to help you build relationships with personalized videos at scale. You can create highly personalized videos for sales sequences and email outreach campaigns, and you can automatically add the website or LinkedIn profile of your prospect to your video. And you can create personalized video pages to share in an email or a DM. Using these AI video tools will help you humanize your outreach and make real connections with your prospects, hopefully leading to more calls and even faster closes. This is also just an overall better experience for your prospects. Okay, so these AI generated videos might sound great, but you might want some help writing your script for these outreach videos. This is where chatbots like ChatGPT come in handy. You can use AI chatbots for pretty much anything, from answering your questions to drafting scripts and even writing cold emails for you. Now, ChatGPT is probably the one you already know about, maybe you're even using it, but there are some other AI chatbots out there that are completely free and arguably more powerful. These are Perplexity, Claude, and Meta AI. I personally like Perplexity because it actually searches the internet for you, and then it uses real information from around the web to give you an answer. Perplexity will generally provide more accurate and coherent responses by citing its sources. This allows you to click on the link and actually verify the information it gives you. On the other hand, ChatGPT will sometimes generate plausible but actually inaccurate or inconsistent information. This is due to its reliance on its pre-trained data set. Either way, all of these chatbots are amazing for so many different things, but they really just scratch the surface of what AI tools can actually do. So let's take conversational AI like these chatbots to the next level with Exceed AI. Exceed AI's sales assistant helps sales reps automate lead engagement, qualification, and meeting scheduling so you can focus on other important activities like actually closing deals. Exceed AI automates all of the conversations across the entire revenue lifecycle. From captures to engagement, qualifications, and scheduling meetings, it does all of this for you at scale. And it will also interact across multiple channels like email, chat, and SMS. Exceed AI's sales assistant also does a great job at nurturing and following up with all your prospects for you, helping to guide them down the funnel completely automated. And once you've used AI to help get your prospects into a position to actually talk to one of your human sales reps, this next AI tool will help give your sales team superpowers. StylePad is an AI tool to set your reps up for success. You can get new reps and sales teams up to speed super quickly with automated AI playbooks, immediately surface answers to their questions using their AI agent assist, and even offer customizable recommendations using real-time assistant cards. StylePad also has an AI recaps feature that completely eliminates the need for manual note-taking on calls. This delivers instant call summaries and recommended action items automatically after every single call. DialPad also has a native CRM integration, which uses AI to auto-log calls, transcripts, and add notes to your CRM so your team does not have to do that manually. Now, there's so much more that DialPad can do, but let's look at some other AI tools that can automate some more manual tasks. Gong and ChatSpot are two AI tools that do a lot, but what they're really good at is automating tasks like capturing call notes, transcribing sales conversations, and enriching CRM data by eliminating manual data entry forever. Thank you. Think of them like your assistant on every single sales call. They're copied to every single email and updates everyone in the organization with any crucial account insights. Sales reps can connect ChatSpot or Gong with their CRM to automate tasks like data entry, capture, accurately importing contact and company information from a spreadsheet right into the CRM, enriching contact information, and getting rid of any duplicate or redundant data. Now, AI is obviously great at automating all of those manual data entry tasks, but there's actually so much more that you can automate with AI. So let's talk about AI scheduling with Motion. Motion is a productivity tool that helps you manage calendars, meetings, projects, and tasks for sales teams. It combines automation and AI to automatically organize your schedule, plan meetings, and build task lists across multiple teams. Motion is perfect for teams with many routine tasks who want to streamline their workday, and is excellent for managing complex projects and reducing the stress of all of that manual project planning. So if you have a large team with multiple handoffs between SDRs, AEs, sales engineers, and CSMs, you can benefit a ton from automated project planning with Motion. Now, when it comes to cold outreach and you're doing cold emails, you probably want to make sure that your messages actually land in your prospect's inbox rather than in their spam folders, right? So for that, you're going to want to use an email warm-up tool. Warmbox uses AI to automatically send emails from your inbox, and then it uses its AI to actually interact with those emails as though a lead would actually do. This will then increase your email deliverability when it comes to sending a cold email. And by the way, there's actually one other thing that you can do to drastically increase your email deliverability, and that's by verifying your emails before hitting send on your cold email campaign. And there's one more sales tool that will automatically find verified email addresses and phone numbers for your sales prospects in seconds. And you guessed it, the tool is Wiza. It connects to one of the world's largest and most accurate B2B databases to find sales prospects. Then it enriches that data with verified contact information. You can watch this video where I walk you through how to use this tool to find verified prospects so that you can use some of the other AI tools mentioned in this video to help you land some more deals. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.